Hello, buddy. If this video just randomly come across your feed, it's because it's a new channel I just started called Just Lights. Now, this channel is going to primarily just be light-related items. And what I'm referring to is like the police light bars you see behind me, and railroad crossing lights, aviation lights, marine lights, traffic lights, street lamps, that kind of lighting. I have well over 125 lights in my collection, so I'm sure something's going to come across this channel at some point that's going to capture your interest. I have a wide variety of different kind of lighting. And what I like to do is once a year is I like to pull them down and give them a good cleaning, because here in the shop, working year round, everything gets pretty dusty and dirty and stuff like that. So I like to keep them in good, clean working order. My plan is as I pull each one of them down, I'm just going to make a video of that light, kind of give you some general information as far as make, model, series, probably a year range you would have saw that, and probably maybe how I acquired that particular light. I also have another channel, which is kind of like my primary channel, that I have some of these things that I posted on. I plan on moving them over to this channel. So if you happen to become a subscriber and say that video kind of pops up in your feed and you've already seen it before, I do apologize for that. But if you want to click on it anyways to help support the channel and help the channel grow, I greatly appreciate that. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to do a quick walk around the shop, kind of show you some of the stuff that's going to be showing up in upcoming videos. So I hope you all enjoy this channel, and let's get started with it. Okay, to kind of show you what to expect in upcoming videos, you can see I got some railroad crossing lights. I got some marine lights, aviation lights. This whole back wall right here is completely full of police light bars, fire trucks, tow trucks, light beacons, small ones, big ones, old, new. Over here I start getting into some of my vintage traffic lighting. Tower lights, single lights. You got a little bit of signage. This back wall right here, I got a few more traffic lights. I'm in the process of getting synchronizers for every one of them slowly, so they all go through their cycle. But to kind of give you a quick idea of what I mean by how dusty everything gets in this shop, I'm going to kind of show you right here. That's how dusty everything gets. So as you can see, I got a lot of lights to pull down. I got a lot of things to clean. So I got a lot of videos coming up. So I hope you all enjoy this channel, and we will see you on the next video.